Can Preamble be amended under Article 368? The question was raised for the first time before the Supreme Court in the historic case of Keshwananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, AIR 1973 SC 1461. In that case, the Attorney General argued that by virtue of the amending power in Article 368, even the Preamble can be amended. It was said that since the Preamble was a part of the Constitution, it could be amended like any other provisions of the Constitution. The petitioners, however, contended that the amending power in Article 368 is limited. Preamble creates an implied limitation on the power of amendment. The Preamble contains the basic elements or the fundamental features of our Constitution. Consequently, amending power cannot be used so as to destroy or damage these basic features mentioned in the Preamble. It was urged that Preamble cannot be amended as it is not a part of the Constitution. The Supreme Court, however, held that the Preamble is a part of the Constitution and, therefore, on this point the Berubri opinion was wrong. On the question whether the Preamble can be amended, the majority held that since the Preamble is the part of the Constitution, it can be amended, but subject to this condition that the basic features in the Preamble cannot be amended. The court said, the edifice of our Constitution is based upon the basic elements mentioned in the Preamble. If any of these elements are removed, the structure will not survive, and it will not be the same Constitution, or it cannot maintain its identity. The Preamble declares that the people of India resolved to constitute their country into a sovereign democratic republic. No one can suggest that these words and expressions are ambiguous in any manner. An amending power cannot be interpreted so as to confer power on the Parliament to take away any of these fundamental and basic characteristics of policy. It is submitted that this view of the court is correct. The amending power cannot change the Constitution in such a way that it ceases to be a sovereign democratic republic. It can only be done by wrecking Constitution. The 42nd Amendment has inserted 3 new words in the Preamble, that is, secularism, socialism and integrity. These concepts were already implicit in the Constitution. The amendment merely spells out clearly these concepts in the Preamble.